guaranteed at my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old, still can't fill the void.
I see myself now. Okay guys, we're still outside. This is our second video. Shh, Matthew. We are going to do our hair because it's a hot mess. So this is the Lange Bijou Luxury Styling Set. So Eileen recently got this and she actually unboxed it for you guys in the vlog. So,
and now it's all messed up.
So you get a beautiful hair dryer, blow dryer. Oh, it's really nice and hefty. Feels really nice. And then you have the hair straightener, the matching hair straightener. You have a wand that has 2 barrels on it. This looks like a inch and a half. And this looks like, no, this is an inch and a half. I don't know. You get a bigger barrel and a smaller barrel. You get, yes girl, live your best life. A glove so you don't burn yourself. I don't know how we're gonna do this because before I hit record, we all wanted to straighten our hair.
Guess I could curl it.
Yeah, I want to straighten my hair really bad.
I just want to straighten this part.
Okay.
Can we talk about how many things you bought from them?
I know, Eileen is like the Lange representative over here. Eileen actually got these products for free. This is the Posh hair polish. This is the heat and humidity tamer. And then we have the Deja Vu dry shampoo, which everybody swears by. Kind of wanted to review these on my channel because I see a lot of ads for it. Matthew's playing with Kaido and he just got sneezed on. Because I see a lot of ads for it on Facebook, so I'm like, why not just give it a go? Since Eileen happened to purchase a really expensive set. And it's not the first thing that she buys from it, right?
I bought literally everything.
She also has the heat shield, and I just washed my hair last night, so it's nice and fresh. I don't need any dry shampoo, but I am gonna try this heat shield. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the heat shield so that it can start drying. Let's see.
Start brushing my hair.
It says spray all over hair before using heat activating styling tools to add volume at the base, lift hair, and spray between layers. Oh, it's off. So we're just gonna we're just gonna turn them on. Oh, these are cool. These have the temperature. Ooh, it's heating up super fast. So y'all be careful with that. Now let's turn on this one. Okay, 400 is good for me.
This is the basic one
that you gave.
Yeah, Eileen's actually gifted me a wand from them for Christmas one year.
I think she gave it to both of us at the same time.
And I still use it.
I found out through Les Do Makeup.
Yeah, on Facebook.
She started out doing Facebook Lives with this stuff, and she enticed me to get it, and after that I was sold. I don't get any other products from anywhere else.
Because it works good. Mm-hmm. And you don't smell your hair burning.
Yeah.
Oh. You just spray it?
Mm-hmm.
What I learned from using this, if you use too much, it's so bad.
Oh, really?
Well, it's not bad. It's just it leaves your hair feeling
Greasy?
not greasy.
It's tacky.
Oh.
And you don't need that much, so that's why maybe it does that.
Yeah. And I forgot my brush. Just using this one. I hate using these types of brushes.
I love it.
Me too.
Pulls my hair too much.
It detangles my hair. Well, since you're doing that, I'm gonna straighten this house.
Okay.
Ooh, look! It was just last night. It's hot.
That was fast. And it looks good. Okay.
But you still needed it.
Yeah.
Did you just pull me by my bangs?
Yeah.
I shouldn't have worn this
my
dress.
God.
It looked good.
Ooh.
I was trying to hide my bangs.
That looks cute though. If you get it a little curled in,
Yeah.
that would be fun.
Remember when you almost burnt me, but the makeup was too thick?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh, girl. Selena vibes.
Hey, Selena. A bitty bitty bum bum.
Hey, you're wearing an outfit kind of like hers. It looks good.
I don't like
It looks really good.
Amanda.
I swear. It looks really good.
That's what you need to do every day.
Okay, Catherine, if I ask you to cut my bangs, can you please just fix it?
No.
Look at these. Are you really
Guys,
gonna
one
do
time
this?
she told me to cut her hair. She ended up crying. And I almost got in trouble with my dad. So, no.
But come on, do you really want me to look this stupid? Look at that. I look like the McDonald's logo.
You look good. Just curl your hair.
No, I'm saying it would look good.
Ooh, look at Eileen.
Chewy's gonna come and he's gonna be like, why?
I can barely see you with this mirror.
You know.
Okay, they're growing on me.
It looks really good. It looks really cute. I swear. Hey, Kaido, you want to curl your hair?
He said, I'm working on myself right now.
Can you see yourself in the mirror?
Not really.
Because I see more of Amalia.
I see me too.
No, I mean, I see myself, but it's like just the top of my head.
I don't.
We're working with a one-person mirror, guys.
It's working pretty good.
For you.
And then the space.
Yeah.
We're bumping each other.
It's like it's already hot with the ring light. It's hot outside. We should have done this inside.
Man, as long as I look good, I feel good. I'm fine.
It's just when you're not going anywhere, why would you get ready, right? We haven't done anything the last week except for, well, me editing. And these two have been doing schoolwork. Matthew too. I can't really see nothing. Malia, you really out here trying to look like George Washington?
Yeah.
Why are they so tight?
Because I put them tight.
They're probably gonna fall out.
They're gonna fall out. They fall out quick with my hair. Hey, George Washington was not bad looking.
Wow. Alright, okay, Amalia. I saw this TikTok of this girl that paid $600 for the Dyson curler.
Mm-hmm.
And she was like, did I really pay $600 to look like George Washington? Because her curls were like that.
Oh my god.
I don't think the Dyson's worth it, honestly.
Same.
I'm trying to stay in frame, and I'm also trying to look at the mirror, and I'm trying not to burn you, and try not to burn me.
I can't see. You know what? Can I give you my honest opinion? It's not, well, it's probably because I can't see what I'm doing down here. But I feel like my hair feels puffy. Feels like there's humidity. And it's not depuffing it like my straightener would. Like mine would.
Yeah.
Like mine would be stick straight. It wouldn't look fluffy like this.
I feel like it would be straighter because I've used the other straightener. And like it made it like pin straight. But I think because we're outside, it kind of messes
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, that's why we have that.
Okay, so let me try this heat and humidity tamer. Because Lord knows I need it.
I look like that big old rock thing where they carve the like president's faces in.
Oh, it smells good.
All their products smell good.
It smells like watermelon. Is it just me or did it tame the humidity a little bit?
It tamed it.
Like it doesn't look,
I see a difference.
like I felt it go like, like it doesn't feel as fluffy. It's still a little bit fluffy, but it's not as fluffy. Ooh, you know what we should get?
Food.
Captain.
I was thinking about it yesterday. I was watching Stephanie Sue's mukbang of like Chinese food.
Stephanie Sue.
You underrate her.
She's good. I'm not saying she's bad and she's this
It's
or
just,
that.
mukbangs are just not for her. Amalia, be careful.
You ran into my hair.
You need to put the glove on.
Yeah.
Where is it? There's a glove.
A glove so that you don't burn yourself. George's gonna be like, so you got ready the one day I'm not there.
I got burned one time right here because I was doing it with a wand. And I don't know if you still see it, but I was like, oh, that hurt. So I thought I had learned, but 10 minutes later I was doing the other side of my hair and I got burnt again on the same spot.
Okay guys, so the camera actually cut off. We don't know exactly where, but don't mind the kids in the background. There are children on a trampoline, which is fine, okay?
I actually like it. I like the difference between the two of the wands because you can control the heat on
setting?
this one, and this one is just a straight up, I think 350 or 400. And it was good, but my hair is kind of like thick and it needs a lot more heat for it to work. So it still works, but this one was better and took less time.
Less time? Yeah, I found that this one took less time, I feel like. And I also feel like I would have gotten a better result if I was doing it inside. I really enjoyed it. I actually really liked how this one smelled. This one smells good, but this one smells better. And this one you get a heat and humidity tamer. If you live somewhere where it's like super humid, I feel like you would like this one better because you do heat and humidity in one. So it's like a 2-in-1 instead of just a heat shield. Hair polish, what is this for? Like after?
Yeah, after.
Should we try it?
Yes.
Or should I
Try it on that side and then take out the other hair from the other
Okay,
side.
let me just try it. I'm not gonna do it on the roots because that tends to get really oily for me really fast. Oh, it's like super greasy, guys. It smells really good. Smell me.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just gonna do middle of my hair down. Oh, did y'all see that? That looks a little shinier. Yeah, look.
I don't see a difference.
You don't see it?
Pull the other hair.
Okay. I feel like I applied too much on this side.
It looks better.
It feels nice. Look, I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, yeah.
You can see it more on this side because I applied a lot of product. I know it says that you can use it before and after styling. I don't think I would necessarily use this before because I've tried products that are greasy like this and your hair has terrible damage after a lot of use. Even just a little bit of use, even if you use it once a month. I would focus this on the ends.
Oh, yeah.
You
I
see it?
the difference.
Yes.
Like,
Oh yeah, this one looks a little dull.
If only we got ready earlier, we could have taken some good pictures.
For real.
the camera wouldn't have died.
Oh yeah, it died.
They're a set that it came with, the free gifts. It's just to try them out. And it's a good deal because you get to try different shining effects, different heat protectors, and different dry
Boosters.
shampoos.
Yeah.
So it's a good deal. If y'all ever want it, y'all need to look up the codes first and then buy stuff.
Yeah. All right, guys. So this is the end of this hairstyling video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want more videos with us, leave any suggestions down below, and we would love to do it. We have plenty of time on our hands. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.